First, you need to confirm your Sceptre monitor model supports physical rotation. Look for models with a P in the name, such as E248W19203P, which indicates pivot functionality. The stand must support 90-degree clockwise or counterclockwise rotation. Before rotating, ensure the stand's locking mechanisms are properly released. Make sure you have adequate desk space. You need at least 8 inches of clearance on both sides of the monitor to safely rotate it without hitting other objects. Adjust the monitor height so the top of the screen aligns with your eye level, even in portrait mode. This positioning reduces neck strain and maintains proper ergonomics. Good cable management is essential to maintain signal integrity. HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C connections must remain secure during rotation. Plan your cable routing to prevent strain or disconnection. Remember these key steps. Verify your model supports pivot functionality, ensure adequate desk space, maintain proper ergonomic height, and manage cables carefully. Once the physical setup is complete, you'll be ready for software configuration. After physically rotating your Sceptre monitor, you need to configure your operating system to recognize the new orientation. This involves adjusting display settings in Windows or Mac OS, updating graphics drivers, and fine-tuning display scaling. For Windows users, the process is straightforward. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings from the context menu. In Display Settings, select your Sceptre monitor if you have multiple displays. Then find the Display Orientation drop-down menu and choose either Portrait or Portrait Flipped, depending on how you rotated your monitor. Click Apply to confirm your changes. Windows will give you 15 seconds to confirm the new orientation before reverting back. For macOS users, the process is similar but accessed through System Settings. Navigate to System Settings, then click on Displays. Select your Sceptre monitor from the display list, then choose the appropriate rotation option. You can rotate 90, 180, or 270 degrees, depending on your setup needs. Before configuring display orientation, it's crucial to update your graphics drivers. This prevents compatibility issues and ensures smooth rotation functionality. Both AMD and NVIDIA provide software that can help with display rotation. Keep your drivers updated through Windows Update or download the latest versions directly from the manufacturer's website. If you encounter display scaling issues after rotation, you may need to adjust scaling settings. In Windows, this is found in Display Settings under Scale and Layout. On macOS, look for resolution and scaling options in the Displays panel. With these software configurations complete, your Sceptre monitor should now display properly in vertical orientation. Remember that some applications may need to be restarted to fully adapt to the new screen orientation.